Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to discuss about that 15 minutes scanner, which helping me to find out some great opportunity in the stocks, which we are going to find out a buying opportunity. So like a 45-degree scan. So this is not an exact 45-degree scan, but we are focusing this scan as a consecutive bullish candles, which is happening after market open. So that having good accuracy, so that we are going to discuss in this video. And the most important thing about the scanner, it's never repaint. So it never repaint. Let's look at this. If any stock which is forms on the scanner, so it will be giving you till end of the day the scanners will be available. So whatever the stocks which you got in the early morning, so you will be getting that stocks. What are the stocks you got? Just a second. Yeah, what are the stocks you got it that will never ever repaint on the system. So what the logic which we have used on that scanner about whatever the date you can go for. So here the stocks, this is what a list of stocks about the last 4 weeks, and I'm going to check one by one. Let me look at this on 14th September. Randomly we can check 14th September. We have 3 stocks. The time is 12 o'clock, but it will never repaint. This scanner we get the stock at 9:45. Sorry, 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock we get the stocks HDFC, M&M, and ICICI Bank. These are the stocks where forms in the scanner, right? So you can use this scanner to find out such a great opportunity. So that was a great idea to trade in a bullish way. So let me go for HDFC Bank on 14th 9. Let me go for HDFC Bank. What happened in 14th 9? So this scanner which we have used for first 15 minutes candle. So that never repaints. Okay, so 13th, this is what the 14th. Let's look at this 1, 2, 3 consecutive. So 3 consecutive bullish candle. So where the third candle should be our entry candle. So let's look at on the day. Totally market gap down and went higher. Don't want to check it out the day because it is 100% profitable day. Even M&M. Let me go for a M&M. All the stocks will give you some better opportunity. So this is what I am about M&M. And ICICI Bank on the day, because on the day market kept lower and it was keep on going higher. So this is what a third candle of ICICI Bank that was went higher. So we will take any other day. And before 13th September, Titan HDFC Bank. That I'm going to find out the Titan. And before the day, just look at this was a Titan. Here is the stop loss. Let's go to find out the highest price at the moment is 2720 and 2706. Almost 14 rupees is the risk for the trade. Once it is broken your high of the third candle, it went higher around 723, 2723, 3 rupees, and finally after nearby around 11:30 it triggers your stop loss. The first idea, first stock which is triggers your stop loss, and HDFC Bank and trend. Let me go for a HDFC Bank gain on 13th. So here let's look at that 1509, 1505. So your entry got triggered 1509 at this candle, and after that it never trigger your stop loss. After that entry, then it finally moves to 1515. So that is what a profitable trade. And trend SRF, trend SRF LNTFH, trend, this is what the trend where you are going to focus here. 40 to 33, 7 rupees, and the next candle itself it went up to 45, just 5 rupees move after your entry, and that is what your stop loss, where we are keeping a minimum stop loss of somewhere around 7 point. It got triggered, but as positionally it moved from at this point, it getting lower and went up. The logic behind that, so intraday you can use this 15 minutes time frame to take a trade opportunity, but positionally you can keep that low as a stop loss. that may be a positional trade, you can focus it for. Right, and if you are focusing positional, it was giving you some good opportunity. SRF and LNTFH, SRF, and there is SRF which was giving you good movement, and LNTFH. What happened about LNTFH? So the main importance. So first three candle it moves big, and then it never give you the entry opportunity in both the sides. So how we can do the trades? So recent trades which we have discussed about, and previous trade about as last video we discussing on about that 𝐷𝗨𝗏, even though market was very down, the stock giving you opportunity. Yesterday we have a lot more stocks like Ashok Leyland. So let I'm going to tell you some interesting thing. Ashok Leyland, how we can do this trade by using this very powerful way. Right, we go for, yes, can you see that here the first three candles are green, right? So what we are going to focus here on the buy above this third one would be the opportunity around 165.7, and 164 is the stop loss. Here I'm going to focus 165.7 is the bullish entry, and 164 is my stop. That is what my initial trade. But if any stock without breaking this high, if it is breaks the low, there is a sell opportunity. If you got a sell opportunity at this level, so you should keep the stop at that day high. Once you make this kind of trade, even that was a huge benefitable strategy that gives you the better opportunity. So here 164, now it is yesterday 159, was 5 rupees down. So without breaking that, if it breaks the low, that means the stock is keep on increasing, but it cannot able to sustain over and above the highest level. There is a reversal would be possible. So let me try it out some other stocks. So 𝐵soft, a lot of stocks which forms yesterday for a bullish, and 𝐵soft, let me check it out. Here you can see 𝐵soft, this is what the high and low, 4 rupees, never broken, and that is what sell broken on the yesterday from 302.75, and it's coming down to 300, and finally it got trigger your stop loss at the spike. It may trigger your stop loss, but this is what the highest level. Again the price got rejected at the top level. Maybe if you are buffering your stop loss just 5 paisa, 50 paisa, it may not trigger, but finally it was fall down. So a lot of stocks we got yesterday. So Ambuja Cement also looks like that. Ambuja Cement, let me go to check Ambuja Cement. So 3 consecutive bullish, and where it is given you sell entry without breaking the buy, and sorry, if you are checking out, it may trigger your buy entry, and 48.75, and it went up to 48.8, just 5 paisa a trigger. If you are having some buffer, it may not trigger your entry. Initially it gives you sell entry around 538, you may be getting around 528. There is a 10 rupees profit where we can make. So even if you are trying to take a trade, just give you a buffer for a 5-10 paisa, that will be protective. A lot of mistake trades or failure trades. So selling also same like that, it is working. Let's look at the selling, how it is working on that. Let me go for IndusInd Bank. So many times it was giving you opportunity, but by the selling, let me go for a first 15 minutes. Here the day where 21st September, let's look at this 21st September, there is a 3 consecutive down days, where I'm going to focus this as my opportunity. Here 1260 high, but after that a small risk, I'm taking the full risk. So instead of taking the stop loss futures, I was taking a put option. Let's look at this movement. The put was from 48, it went up to from the rupees 48 rupees, that put went up to 85 plus. Based on this method, we did one trade, and the second one is M&M Finance, that is also happening on 21st. So M&M Finance is the same which is happening on 21st, such a kind of pattern. Let's look at this 1, 2, 3 M&M Finance on 21st, and 22nd it was a very flat, and 23rd it was a big gap down, almost more than 10% down, and closed by 293. So if you look at this entry is about 224 and 224.252 to 222.95. So the accuracy about the system is looks good. And lot of stocks we find out of either bullish or bearish. These are the scanners we are finding out of bullish. And let's look at this SBAN on 19.9 Puja Cement. We already seen now 19.9 19.9 Puja Cement. Yeah, 1 2 3. This was the candle where it has broken that level. It is from 550 it went to huge of 584. And Canara Bank, let's look at a Can Bank on the day of 19th, 16th and 19th, where it is a 19th here. 1 2 3. So this three candles, it is moving higher from that top 250 with the stop loss of 247. It reaches to 253 and then it started moving down. Let's look at the same stock which forms that kind of pattern by yesterday. Let's look at this in Canara Bank. Three pattern which forms on the Canara Bank where it the entry 240. If you are trying, I did some trade on 240 put up based on this method. At the time where I'm entering into the trade is around 9 somewhere around 240 put option around 7 rupees 7.9 and went up to 12.9 something. It was giving you some opportunities. So if you find that stocks kind of trades, it may be giving you some opportunity. By yesterday, let me check it out about HDFC Bank, Ambuja Cement, both are happening at yesterday for a selling side. Sorry, these are happening at buying side. The selling also we are updated on the scanner. So if you want to take the scanner, you can join my Telegram channel where I provided in the description. You can join and you can take the opportunity. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.